Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. How you been? I have this 2017 Toyota Sienna. I don't think I did the rear brakes. I did the front brakes though, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the rear brakes. It's easy. All right, so come with me. All right, shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. All right, and let's get it. All right. Shout outs to the haters too. I love you. Pause. All right, let's get it. You see this guy? We're gonna pop those. We're gonna pop that. That it's all good here. It's all good here. So let's do it. This one's gonna be 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter right here. Okay. All right. Let's see. 14 millimeter. I lose it already, so should be good. 14 over here. 14 over here. It's gonna come out. We'll remove the caliper. Put it to the side. These guys are like the same length. All right. Don't be tripping. Let's see what you're doing right there. This piston, we're gonna push it later though, okay? Now, got the caliper, brake pads here. Let's see. Choo. This one. Oops, that's two. What you think about that? Put in the comment box. Can I still use it? Let me know. Now, these are gonna be 17, if I'm not mistaken. 17 inch here. Dang, it's hard. Pause. Let's see another angle. Let me see. Ah, and someone put some red tight. I bet it's gonna be easier because I have a bad angle. Let's see. Woo! Yeah, I fell. Telling you right now, I never failed doing this type of work. But if it, uh, ah, that was a good stretch. All right, let me see. This is no, I didn't even like a break loose, did I? Oh, yo, my tool broke. Look, damn, that's crazy. I'm gonna have to use a breaker bar. Damn, 17, right? Let me see if I'm gonna use a long one or a short one. Let's see. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use extension too. Let me see. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're good. All right, man, that got me good. That got me good, Cole. Okay. Come on, bro. Sheesh. There you go. That's a bracket for the caliper. Uh, Dang. That's crazy. It's crazy, man. Never happened to me. My tool broke. I don't know if I can, if I have warranty on that. Sheesh. Anyways, uh, little tappy tappy here. There you go. Don't breathe that debris. Okay, that's gonna stay in your lungs, which is that thing right there. If you have a brake cleaner like this, spray right there. Pretty much. Grab your brush, do your thing over here, all the way around. And do your thing. Okay. Now here. Right here. Just like that. Alright. Now this driver is from the old one. Just put it in the hole. This hole right here. Okay. Just put it back in there. Alright. Now we're gonna push this guy, the piston. Okay. Grab your piston pusher. Put it there. That's how you're gonna push it. Okay. I did it already. Alright. All the way to the back. Put it to the side. We're gonna move this is the bracket right here. You could just brush it if you want, right? And lube it or replace it with the new hardware that comes with the brake pads. It's up to you. But obviously, I don't want to reuse this disgusting. Just gonna pop it like that. Just like that, right? Some people don't want to do it because under the hardware, it's rusty, and when you put the new one, uh, it's not gonna sit right. So when you put the new brake pad, you're gonna have to like file it so you fit in. But to avoid all that, you're gonna have to brush here too. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. This is how it looks now. Let me show you how it looks after. This is how it looks like. Just gonna grab the hardware. Put it there. Like that. Do the same on the other three. That's how it looks like. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some grease. Usually, some other mechanics people don't want to do that because it collects dirt and debris from everywhere. Um, but that's why you have to do maintenance to your brakes, certain amount of time. You know what I'm saying? It's not only change brake pads and rotors. You have to like put new grease, change the degrees, lube this, which I'm gonna explain you this in a minute. Okay. It's not only brakes and rotors replacement. Okay. You have to move the hardware too. Okay. All right, with this, if you cannot move it like this, you're gonna have to like remove it, clean it, re-grease it. Okay, the same grease you use for this, same grease. Okay, same here. Okay, pretty much. Then put it back. Oh, we're gonna put this bracket back. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. No biggie. Regular thing. All right, tie it, snug it. Now this guy's, you're gonna go like this, right? So this thing is gonna go at the bottom, like that. That's how we're gonna do it. You don't have to put this, so it's up to you. Same way you put it here, same way you put it in the back. Like that, all right? Do the same in the back. All right. So we're just gonna put this back. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. 14s. Should be it. Let's see. All right, tie this nugget. Let me tell you, once you're done with this, step on the brake pedal. Once you're done with both sides, step on the brake pedal. The first step is gonna be soft. The second step is gonna get hard, pulse. Then go to the hood, under the hood, go to the brake fluid reservoir, top it off. It takes that three. Read what type of on the cap of the brake fluid reservoir. There's instructions of what type of fluid it takes. I believe it takes that three. So top it off with that three. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it with this baby, eh? Shout outs to everybody. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this. Yeah. Not necessary to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. If you feel like you want to show some love to the channel, right below the video there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you to leave a tip. All right? Do that if you love the channel. You know what I'm saying? If you want to support my work. All right. I got a mic. I got a camera. With all the support I got, you know, I bring you the front seats view. You know what I'm saying? Like a movie theater. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. It's me. Let's do it. Catch me in the next one. I'm out. Yeah. See ya.